Lutnick says AI is the beginning of the internet, manufacturing is coming home, and under Trump the U.S. can grow 6%. Is this the next golden age or a political fantasy? Stay to the end to hear how he plans to attack affordability from both sides, wages and prices, and why he thinks that combination will change how Americans feel about the economy overnight.
On the AI infrastructure build, I think that's going to create advanced manufacturing so we can bring manufacturing and reshore it to America. Remember, Americans don't have millions of people to screw in little screws in iPhones, but we do have the capacity to run robotics. You know, when I say robotics, think about it, a modern auto plant, you know, with those robotic arms doing the welding. Thousands of technicians will be manning those factories, and that's what's going to come to America. I think you're going to see enormous manufacturing growth in America across pharmaceuticals, semiconductors, autos, steel. It's all coming home, and we're going to have an amazing economy. I would not be afraid. I would be excited.
So, Howard, the 3% inflation rate has ticked up back to 3 in the last couple of reporting periods. Who knows where it is now? We haven't got decent government reports, obviously. But do you think the affordability question can be solved even with inflation rates being a little bit higher than the Fed would like, i.e. 2%? Can it be solved from a hot economy with wages growing, where suddenly you don't feel like you can't afford things because you're doing better? Because if the economy gets that hot from the Fed rate cuts and from the BBB and the stimulus and everything else, you might not be able to bring down 3%. Are you willing to accept that if wages are rising quickly and people feel like they can afford things? Is that the idea?
I think you fix it from both sides. I think you bring affordability, you focus on housing and bring the affordability of housing down. You focus on the farms and bring the price of groceries down. And you bring down interest rates. Remember, if you bring down interest rates and you bring down energy, you're really grabbing people's pocketbooks and putting more money in them. You've got taxes coming down, no tax on tips, no tax on overtime, no tax on our Social Security, things like that. These things, and you drive GDP growth, real GDP growth, not the middling growth that we've gotten used to, this sort of 2% nonsense. This economy, the $30 trillion U.S. economy, can grow 4%. It can grow 5%. And I think under President Trump, you're going to see it grow 6%. And people think, oh, these things aren't possible. Lower rates, lower energy, you're going to have that growth. You're going to fix America doing both sides, raising wages, great jobs coming into this country, bringing down the cost of energy, bringing down the cost of interest rates. You're going to have Americans feel good about the United States of America under Donald Trump. And that's what we're playing for. We're playing for fixing both sides of the spectrum together to make America reach its golden age. You got to do both. You got to have people make more money, and you got to get interest rates down, housing costs down, energy prices down.
All right, Mr. Secretary. 6%, that's a goal to certainly shoot for. 4 or 5 would be something.
Exactly.
It's been a while.
Exactly.
It's been a while since we've had that in this country. A lot of people don't think it's possible, but with AI and assuming some other things, maybe it is. We appreciate your time. Thanks.
Oh, I think you're going to be north of 4 next year. And
you do.
Have me come on in the second quarter and play this back, and you're going to see amazing numbers.
You don't have to. Yeah, we would. I hope
from
you're
your
right.
lips. We hope.
Yeah, I hope you're right, and we will play. And if you're wrong, we'll play it. We'll play it too.
Okay.
No,
listen,
you just won't be coming on.
Yeah,
you just won't be on. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
TrumpCard.gov. Let's go. TrumpCard.gov for the gold card.
Excellent. All right. Thank you.